If you are looking to upgrade your ceiling fan to one of these amazing fandailers like this one that our friend sent out for us to test out, you're going to be amazed at how easy this install is. Hey guys, it's Carmen with Duo, and today I'm going to show you a quick installation on one of these fandailers, these flush mount fandailers. They're absolutely wonderful. They are space saving. They have LED technology. I mean, and it's a flush mount, and it's so much easier. It's already pre-assembled. We already have the wireless remote connection already wired in. So the only thing you're going to need to do is connect your yellow and green to your ground, black to black, white to white for power, and then we're going to attach this. Now, the nice thing about this is it comes with everything you need, and it comes with this really convenient little S-hook. Now, this S-hook I'm going to hang right here, and I'm going to attach the fan to it, and what it's going to do is it's going to hold the fan for me, so that way I can use my other two hands to wire up all of the wires. So again, it comes with all the wired nuts that you need. We're just connecting white to white, black to black, and ground to ground. So go ahead and do that right now. All right, so now we have all the wire nuts attached. I forgot to mention, the only tool you're going to need for this installation is a Phillips head screwdriver. So I already affixed those 4 screws to the mounting plate to the ceiling. I have the 3 wires already connected. Now I'm going to go ahead and remove my S-hook, and I'm going to toss that aside. I'm going to make sure my wires are pushed up. You want to give them a gently little tug just to make sure everything is connected, everything's secure, because the last thing you want to do is get everything up there and realize that you had a loose connection. And now all we're going to do is slide this up and then turn it to the right. And just like that, it's now fully installed. Now all we're going to do is use that Phillips head screwdriver, and we're going to go ahead and tighten up those 4 screws that are around the collar of the fan to ensure that while the fan is running, it's not going to dislodge itself or slide off. So we're going to go ahead and do that. And then once this is done, the last thing we're going to do is we're going to turn the power on, we're going to connect the remote, and then we're going to walk through so you can see how the fan works. So go ahead and finish up your installation. We're going to turn the power on, and then we're going to connect it all up. Now that the fan is installed and we have the power back on, the remote is going to be paired by holding down the 1 button, and the 1 button is going to initiate the light to flash 3 times. When that happens, you'll know you're connected, and then from there, you'll be able to just use the remote as is. So it has a lot of nice features. Number 1 is the light, which is cool because you can change the brightness of the light, and you can also change the color of the light. And what's fun from there is you can push another button and it'll change the actual color of the light. So you can set this really cool light effect ring, and then you can cycle through and change all the different colors. Now, the remote is a wonderful tool to have, but you can also pair your phone and your Alexa device in your home to this fan. So therefore you can be laying in bed and tell your fan to turn on blue. You can set the volume of the fan itself, whether if you want the speed on 3 or you want the speed on 6. Installation instructions are also here, and as well as the directions on how to set the fan up to your app, as well as connecting it to your device. The nice thing about the fan is it is really quiet. So I don't know if you can hear that. That's on 1. That's the lowest setting, and it's actually pretty nice speed. We can crank it all the way up to 6. And I think you can hear that now. Oh, it's still going. That's really powerful. So that's really nice. It also has this cool like wave button bush here. And what that does is it mimics the natural wind. So it'll like go faster, it'll go slower, it'll kind of ebb and flow. Overall, as you saw, the installation process is super easy. I love the fact that you have a ton of different colors that you can change the light. It also has this night setting, which is this. So that way in the evening, you can just hit the night button and it'll kind of dim the light and give it a softer light on your eyes as you're preparing to go to bed. So if you were looking for an awesome fan with a variety of features and 3 different ways to control it, as well as just a really good looking fan, look no further and go check out our friends and get yourself this easy to install, ready to go right out of the box fan.